music is. Blues music. There's a kind of music like rock music and jazz music. There's also a kind of music called blues music. What do you think it is?
Sad music.
Right. It is. It doesn't necessarily feel really, really sad that makes you want to cry, but it has sad words. And does anybody know anything about blues music? That you were working in the fields, they were digging in the fields in the south of America, down the bottom of America, and the music came from them singing about how hard their life was, how sad they were. They were working so hard, and they didn't get a lot of money. They got a very small amount of money. They were very poor, and they wanted to have a better life. So they would sing songs about that. And this is how blues music came to be a thing. The African Americans moved from the south of America up to the north, to the city, looking for work. And then they would all come together and they would start to play music together, and they would sing the...
Right now, how about a little BB King? Well, I woke up this morning, couldn't find my shoe. Yes, I woke up this morning, and I couldn't find my shoe. Oh, no, the right one is here. I need the left one too. That's what my mama said. Last night I left it right here, next to my other shoe. I know I put it right here, next to my other shoe. I think somebody took it, but I don't know.
Amazing. Who has... What? Yes. Nice. Amazing. What about if I say sad? What color do you see in your imagination?
Black.
Blue.
Blue.
Blue. Okay. Blue. That's great because there is blues music. There's a kind of music called blues music, and it's sad songs. And somebody else said black. So if they feel sad, they see black. What about if I say that I feel happy? Okay, one more. What about if I say, I'm bored. I'm really bored. I have nothing to do.
Brown.
I see brown too. Yeah? Brown? And something else? Oi, you look bored. Okay, another question. What about a very long word in English? Not many people know about this word. It's called synesthesia. Synesthesia. Now, synesthesia is something really special. It's when one sense of those five senses, something happens to one sense when something has happened to another sense. For example, don't be scared if you don't like drawing or if you haven't drawn in a long time. We're going to take a piece of paper and we're going to fold it, or let's fold it down this way in half, okay? And then take it like this and fold it in half again. and in half again. So we're going to end up with 8 boxes. Okay? 1,
we will talk about what is graffiti. I will show you works and when it started and how we will do the graffiti. So who can try and tell me what does it mean, graffiti? Who can try? Tell me. Somebody can try and to say maybe if it's just few words.
Draw in the wall.
Drawing on the wall. Who is that, Tamel? Very good.
Yes.
More. Somebody else want to try and say what else? What do you do? With what do you do graffiti? Also with a squeezer, different kinds of, we can do with whatever we have. As long as it have color, we can do graffiti. The way we will do graffiti now is with a pencil and papers. So I hope you all have papers, pencils, colors, because we will try and do our own graffiti name on the paper. Okay? I hope mistakes, and this is how you learn. And the most important is to enjoy. If you do it with joy, it comes out happy and you come out happy. And of course, don't do it where it is not allowed. Only do it where it is allowed and when you have the permission. And I wish you good luck.